Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're digging into something maybe a bit hidden in your home, but really vital.
That's right. We're talking about your air ducts.
Exactly. Duct cleaning. We're using some great info from an article on the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. It's called Duct Cleaning Services in Ladner, Delta. Your local solution. Our mission today. To figure out how clean ducts can make your home healthier, maybe even happier, and why local services like those in Ladner and Delta are, super important for you.
Yeah, and we'll connect the dots, show you how keeping your home's, let's call them lungs, clean affects your health and, believe it or not, your wallet too.
Okay, let's jump right in. Why is breathing clean air inside your home such a big deal? I mean, it seems obvious, but maybe it's not.
Well, think about it. Over time, those air ducts, they're not just empty pipes.
Right.
They collect all sorts of stuff, dust, dirt, pet hair.
Like hidden dust bunnies?
Exactly. And sometimes even mold. When your heater or AC kicks on, guess what?
It blows all that stuff right out into your rooms. Yuck.
You got it.
Yeah.
And that directly impacts the air you're breathing all day long.
So what's the big benefit of getting them cleaned then, health-wise?
Oh, huge benefits. First off, just much better air quality inside. This is really key if anyone in your family has allergies or maybe asthma.
Fewer sneezes, maybe? Less coughing.
Definitely. It cuts down on those things floating around that trigger symptoms. It helps everyone, really, from kids to older folks, just feel, healthier. Plus, it can really help get rid of those musty, stale smells that sometimes seem to come from the vents.
Okay, better breathing, fewer smells. That makes sense. The article mentions enhancing indoor air quality and alleviating allergy symptoms.
Precisely. Those are the direct health connections.
Yeah, well, here's a part I find really interesting. How clean ducts can actually save you money. How does that work?
Right. This is a big one people might miss. It's all about your heating cooling system, your HVAC.
Okay.
When ducts are dirty or clogged up, even just a little bit, the air can't flow easily. Your system has to work much, much harder to push that air through.
It's like trying to run through thick mud instead of on a clear path.
Perfect analogy, yeah. And when your system works harder, what does it use more of?
Energy, electricity, gas.
Exactly, more energy. So your bills go up. Clean ducts mean smooth airflow, less work for the system, lower energy bills.
Ah, okay. So less effort equals less cost.
And there's more. When your system isn't constantly straining, it lasts longer.
Oh, right. Less wear and tear.
You got it. So you might not need to replace that expensive furnace or air conditioner as soon. The source actually highlights this, boosts HVAC system efficiency, resulting in lower energy expenses, and it prolongs the lifespan of your heating and cooling systems.
That's a double win. Lower bills now and potentially avoiding a huge replacement cost later.
Especially true in places like Ladner and Delta. We see homeowners there reporting, noticeable savings after a good duct cleaning.
So let's talk about that local angle. The article title mentions Ladner Delta, your local solution. Why is having a local service important for this?
Well, local pros know the area. They understand the specific climate, maybe the common types of pollen or humidity issues that might affect homes right there in Ladner or Delta.
So like coastal air might mean different dust or moisture problems than somewhere inland.
Could be. And they've likely worked on homes just like yours in your neighborhood. The article even gives examples.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it mentions a family in Ladner. They had pretty bad allergies, but felt a lot better after getting their ducts cleaned. And a business that saved, get this, 20% on energy costs.
Wow, 20%.
Yeah, it shows that local knowledge, that local touch, it really can make a difference in the results you see.
Okay, that makes a strong case for finding someone local. So quickly then, how do the professionals actually clean these ducts? Is it just a big vacuum?
It's a bit more involved than that, actually. They use really powerful vacuums, often truck-mounted, to create strong suction. But they also use tools inside the ducts.
Like
Things like spinning brushes or air whips tools that actually scrub and loosen the dirt and debris stuck to the duct walls. Sometimes they even use tiny cameras to look inside and make sure they got everything. It's a deep, clean bend. You just can't do yourself.
Right, much more thorough than my vacuum cleaner wand could ever be.
Definitely. But there are things you could do yourself to help keep things cleaner between professional visits.
Oh, like what? Easy stuff.
Super easy. Number one, change your air filters regularly. That's huge. Maybe every 1 to 3 months, depending on your home.
Okay, I can do that.
Also, just make sure your furniture or rugs aren't blocking the air vents. Let the air flow. And, regular dusting and vacuuming in your house helps cut down on the dust that can get sucked into the system in the first place.
Small steps, big difference over time.
Exactly. Keep up with those, and you help maintain the benefits of that professional cleaning for longer.
So wrapping this up, it seems like paying attention to your home's air ducts, especially with help from local experts, offers a lot. Cleaner air, lower bills, maybe even a longer life for your heater and AC.
It really does cover a lot of bases for making your home environment better.
It's been really insightful. Thanks for breaking that down.
My pleasure. And here's a final thought for everyone listening. If you could make just one relatively simple change that helps everyone in your home breathe a little easier, and it saves you money, wouldn't you want to know what it is?
Good question.
It might just be hidden away in your home's air system, waiting for you to, make that smart choice for a healthier home.